The doctor never, ever should have done the cataract surgery. Would you like to learn why that's what my expert said to me when I sent him the records to review? Come join me as I share with you this remarkable story. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. My client came to me and she felt that she had a valid basis for her case. She underwent cataract surgery that the doctor told her she absolutely needed. And now, shortly after the cataract surgery, she suffered complications which ultimately led to blindness in one eye. So now, when I obtained my client's records, I sent it off to an expert ophthalmologist because I needed to get confirmation from an expert to determine whether or not we had a valid basis for a case. And when my expert called me a short while later, these were the exact words he said to me. He said, "This never, ever should have happened." I said, "Why not?" He said, "This patient never should have had cataract surgery." I said, "Why not?" He said, "This patient did not need cataract surgery." I said, "What do you mean?" She had all the evidence confirming that she had a valid basis to go forward with cataract surgery. He said, "No. Here's why this patient never should have had cataract surgery." And then he proceeded to tell me in exquisite detail why this patient's complaints did not qualify or justify this patient having cataract surgery. And then he proceeded to show me in exquisite detail why the testing results that this patient had also confirmed the fact that this patient did not and was not a qualified patient to have cataract surgery. Now, what should the patient have done? My expert told me that the doctor who was treating this patient should have simply told her, "Listen, there is absolutely nothing for you to do for the next 5 years. Simply watch it and continue to watch it. You do not need cataract surgery." And if that had happened, this patient never would have gone blind. So why do I share this quick tidbit of information with you? I share it with you because this was just one case that I handled involving a woman who went in for cataract surgery, suffered significant complications, and then ultimately went blind as a direct result of this doctor performing a surgery that never, ever should have been done. You know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, I do this every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Jerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.